Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi is gearing up to launch the successor to one of their most popular Redmi Note series, which will be in its 10th avatar. And ahead of the launch, some specs have leaked for the two handsets in the series, namely the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Note 10 Pro 5G. So the Redmi Note 10 5G might support a 6.5-inch OLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio, which makes it the first Note series phone to have an OLED panel. The phone is rumored to be powered by the newly announced Snapdragon 750G SoC, which is a 5G capable processor. The SoC uses the latest Cryo 570 CPU cores, which is the same as the one on the Snapdragon 865, and the reason why it performs better than even the Snapdragon 765G, contrary to what the name would suggest. The Cryo 570 is based on the latest Cortex A77, and hence we see a performance boost compared to the Snapdragon 765G, which uses the older Cortex A76. Now the Redmi Note 10 5G has the model number M2007J17C, which has been confirmed to be the Mi10T Lite. So it seems like the Mi10T Lite might be rebranded as the Redmi Note 10 5G in China as well as in India. The other phone in the series includes the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G, which is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 820 SoC. The 820 performs somewhat better than the Snapdragon 750G, beating it out in the multi-core department in terms of benchmarks, but the real-world performance should be more or less the same. Now Redmi did choose a similar strategy with the Note 8 series, where the Note 8 was powered by a Snapdragon chip, while the Note 8 Pro had the MediaTek Helio G90T, so they may continue with this approach. The battery capacity of the Note 10 5G has been leaked as well, and it has a decent sized 4820 mAh cell that should come with support for fast charging. Now the Redmi Note series has always had good battery life, so it should be able to last you more than a day of use on a single charge. That's everything in the wild about the Redmi Note series as of now, but the phones are rumored to be announced next month, so we may get more information before the official launch, and I'll keep you guys posted, so stay tuned for that. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.